Hi everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we understood the core difference between traditional programming and AI. Now, one important question comes next. If AI existed for many years, why did it suddenly become so powerful recently? Why are tools like ChatGPT, AI coding assistants, and AI image generators suddenly everywhere? The answer actually comes down to three major things: more data, more powerful hardware, and better AI models. And together they completely changed the AI world. So let's understand them step by step. The first reason is huge amounts of data. Modern AI systems learn from data. And today the internet contains enormous amounts of information. We generate websites, text, images, videos, conversations, social media content, and documents every day. This gave AI systems massive learning material. The more useful data AI systems can learn from, the better they become at recognizing patterns. So, remember this: AI becomes smarter when it learns from more data. The second major reason is powerful hardware. Modern AI systems require enormous amounts of computation. Training AI models involves processing massive amounts of data and performing billions or even trillions of calculations. Normal CPUs can do this, but very slowly. That's where GPUs became extremely important. GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit. Originally, GPUs became popular for gaming and graphics processing. But later, people realized GPUs are also extremely powerful for AI workloads. Because AI training involves massive parallel calculations, and GPUs became perfect for training modern AI systems. A CPU is designed for general purpose tasks, but GPUs are designed to handle many calculations in parallel at the same time. And AI training involves exactly that kind of workload. You can think of it like this: a CPU is like a few highly skilled workers. A GPU is like thousands of workers handling many small tasks simultaneously. That parallel processing made AI training dramatically faster. And as GPU technology improved, AI models became larger and more powerful. Without GPUs, modern AI systems like ChatGPT would not exist at this scale. And the third reason is better AI models and algorithms. Researchers developed much better AI architectures over time. One major breakthrough was transformers. Now you may hear the word transformers a lot in AI. Transformers are a modern AI architecture that helped models understand language and context much better. For example, suppose we have a sentence like, "The animal didn't cross the street because it was too tired." Now the AI needs to understand, what does it refer to? Is it the street or the animal? So transformers helped AI models understand these kind of relationships and context much better. And that dramatically improved language understanding in modern AI systems. This became one of the biggest breakthroughs in modern AI. And it eventually led to powerful systems like ChatGPT. These newer AI models became much better at understanding context, generating language, recognizing patterns, and handling complex tasks. So, with these three things combined, massive amounts of data, powerful GPUs, and better AI models, AI systems suddenly became far more capable than before. That led to the modern AI boom we see today. That's why AI tools suddenly started appearing everywhere. Chatbots, AI image generation, AI coding assistants, recommendation systems, and intelligent search tools. So remember this, AI did not suddenly appear overnight. Modern AI became powerful because more data became available, computing power improved, and AI models became much smarter. Together, these changed the entire AI industry. Alright, now we understand why AI became so powerful in recent years. In the next video, we will start moving deeper into AI concepts and understand what machine learning actually is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.